Hello everyone, Siestiana here doing another unboxing. I decided to treat myself to a new tarot deck for my birthday, and just so happens that I seen this in the store and it called me. And of course it's the Star Tarot, and I mean I am Siestiana Star, so yeah, it makes sense for me. So before I start with this, I hope that y'all enjoy these videos, and if y'all do find joy in them, if you find that you are enjoying the videos, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, share it out, and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the deck. I do love hearing from y'all. So let's get started, right? Oh, not what I wanted to do. I absolutely fell in love with the imagery on the box, so I cannot wait to see what the cards look like. So this deck is by Kathy McLean. Oh my goodness, McClelland. Oh, really super nice. Nice book. Very thick. A lot of information on this one. Oh, wow. And of course these are the size of the oracles. So let's put this to the side. And let's go through this. So the Four of Cups, Five of Cups, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Oh, so the princess instead of the page. Really pretty. Queen, King, the Pentacles. The imagery on these cards are just wow. a lot was put into this. I really love it. I'm curious to see what the majors look like. And the swords, really cool. 3, and of course, I think the Four of Swords for almost every deck depicts the woman laid out like there's some type of it always seems it always seems to be drawn to me that it's some kind of death, some type of ending. I mean, I know it could be just resting and recovery, but I don't know what it is about the Four of Swords for me that just screams out endings. Oh wow. This is a really nice deck. If anyone's interested in getting this, I actually got this deck from Second and Charles. If I know they don't sell anything on their website, but yeah. Okay, so the Fool, really nice. Magician, I like that one. The High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor. Yeah, that really depicts him really well. The Hierophant, the Lovers. Oh my goodness. The Chariots. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. And Strength. I love this. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Oh, that is so nice. Justice. the hanged one. I like that. I like that because it's not giving it that male or female pronoun. That is cool. Death. Oh, and it doesn't look so scary looking. Oh goodness. Temperance. That is, the colors on these cards, y'all, are so pretty. The Devil. Tower. The Star. That's beautiful. The Moon. Oh, I love this one. I absolutely love this one. The Sun. The vibrant colors. I am like totally amazed and so happy. Judgment. And the World. Now the Wands. So nice. The imagery and the colors are so vibrant on this deck. That's so awesome. I think I'm really going to enjoy using this deck. So pretty. Oh man. Now this one has the Prince. And I didn't notice that with, like, this is the Wands. This has the Prince. The other ones have the Princesses. And then the Knight, the Queen, and the King. And the Ace, the 2, and the 3 of Cups. Now I have to look. Yeah, okay. So the Swords and the Wands, or the Princess, that is really neat. And then the Pentacles and the Cups have the Princess. Nice. Nice. Oh my goodness. I really do like that. That is so cool. So I know this has taken a little bit longer than what I normally do for my unboxing walkthrough for the cards. But I hope you'll enjoy this. I really am looking forward to working with this deck. And so hopefully within the next week or so, I will be showcasing this particular deck in on my readings. So I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope that you give me a thumbs up, share it out, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I love the imagery on these. This is awesome. So until next time, I'm out for now.